The view back here stinks.
Whoa!
Oh, what?
We're right in front of Michael's house.
I knew that.
Shh. Okay, let's go in this way.
I say let's go in that way.
He just never lines.
Now let me see. I must be very, very close.
Nice digs. Well, well, I wonder who that could be.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Shh, everyone's sleeping.
I knew that.
Come on. We gotta find Michael's basketball stuff. Nope, nothing in here.
Nope. Ah, but a very nice dinette set.
Not here. Let's look upstairs.
Yes, oh fearless leader. So he needs his special underwear.
Oh, shh. Sorry.
You think he's got enough toys?
Speaking of toys, you know all those mugs and t-shirts and lunchboxes with our pictures on them?
Yeah?
You ever see any money from all that stuff?
Not a cent.
Me neither.
It's a crying shame. We gotta get new agents. We're getting screwed.
We have found the trophy room. Now spread out and search the place.
Yes, Sahib. Ah, brother. Here I am, in the peak of my form, playing second banana.
Yep.
Sort of a harebrain. Mr.
This could be
Lopez on a
useful.
pole.
Aha!
If this were a union job, well, that's very nice.
Oh, one of his shoes.
Nope.
Where is that other shoe? Where are you? Eureka! Come to Papa. Oops.
What a fuzz foot. You are so clumsy.
Catch, Featherhead.
Thanks.
Well, time to go.
Did we get everything?
The shorts! In there?
Okay, I'll check. I found the shorts.
The pain.
I'm right behind you, pal.
That's none too reassuring.
Nice puppy. How's about a bone? No dice.
What about a nice holiday ham? He ain't buying it. Can we talk this over, Rover?
Beethoven.
Ooh, the kids are here.
Here you go, Bucks.
Yeah, thanks, kid.
Shoot!
Bad dog. That is the last time I'm ever working with dogs or children.
Bye-bye.
Hey, where you going?
Well, you see, the Looney Tunes have a big basketball game coming up, and, your dad's gonna play.
All right.
Yeah, but don't tell anybody.